Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on hotspot and connection and click on personal hotspot. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on personal hotspot and turn off. Turn on or turn off hotspot 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check internet. Check internet connection is work properly. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Note 60 Pro. Please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.